doctors, surgeons, and nurses of Reddit. What are some of your hospital horror stories? Potentially NSFW. Where is the story of the nurse who along with a surgeon drained a massive abscess from a lady who was injecting her hoo-ha with drugs? A man was brought in because he was so high that he tore off his own scrotum. Not as in ripped a little, tore it off by himself. There was a story in the paper here about a guy who went to the ER with chest pains. For whatever reason he was released. He went to the waiting room to wait for a ride. He was found the next day in the waiting room in full rigor. I had to do a trot change on a patient with dementia, HIV, and valvular herpes in the lung. This patient was out of their mind and tried to bite people. While changing the trot, the patient gave me a demon stare the whole time. The patient coughed at me, spraying blood on my face shield, almost hitting my eye with HIV herpes blood. Wife has constipation. I'm sure she tried the conventional routes to cure it. Gets to the point her husband is giving her water enemas with a garden hose. Needless to say, he blows out her intestine, which brings her to the ER. So I can tell you wonderful people this story.